Hello, this is Shubham Agarwal from Agarwal Bros, and today I will tell you how to use bots for your automation in your business. It can be affiliate marketing, can be social media marketing, anything. But bots can be really helpful. As you can see, I'm just sitting here, and this bot is working, sending messages on my behalf. It can work full day, and you can send messages to thousands or hundreds and thousands of people, and you can pretty much run your business on autopilot. So what is automation and how it can be done? See, for automation you can do two things. Okay, contact forms, submitting contact forms, or email marketing, chatbot marketing. The topic for this video will be contact form marketing. Okay, you can either use a bot, the one that I'm using, it is called GSA contact form. Okay, or you can use there are other also in the market, Paygame bot or something, but I'm using GSA contact bot. Okay, also you can use a virtual assistant, but it can be expensive in the long run, or maybe you can do it yourself, but there won't be much of automation left when you do yourself. Okay, for bot, the one that I'm using, it's a software that is gonna cost you around $100. Okay, so let me just head over easycontactbot.com, and as you can see, this is a GSA contact form submitter. Okay, this is loading GSA contact bot, and one license will cost you around $100. Okay, this is what you need. Additionally, you will need proxies, which will cost you around 30 to 50 bucks depending on your requirement, but this is the basic outline for automation, $150. There are additional expenses, but they can be ignored, or they can be avoided for some time, unless you are trying to really scale yourself. Okay, for virtual assistant, the cost will be around $3 to $5 per finished hour. Virtual assistant maybe can send maximum 60 messages per hour at max, assuming they're sending it like one message per minute. Okay, self also you can do it like 60 messages per hour, assuming you do it one message per minute. So how does this all work? Okay, so let's over you need this bot, GSA website contact bot. So let me just pause this thing. Okay, just let me stop this thing for a while, and let's understand how this works. So all you need to do is, like, let me create a new campaign. The campaign name can be anything. Let me do it email marketing or anything that you're trying to do. Okay, just let me click OK. So this is loading. So here we are. This is the project setup. Now you need to set proxies for the search engines. Although this software can scrape proxies from search engines, paid proxies are better. Okay, if you use free proxies, there is high chance of errors. Okay, and you can submit your content from the message that you can select from here. There is this message, you can type your message, anything. You know, I can do email marketing campaigns on your behalf. If you wish to, I don't know, collaborate with me, here's my email and whatnot, and you can submit this. Okay, this is how this bot will go and submit to thousands of contact forms all across the web, and you will get replies, and pretty much most of the tasks can be automated, and you can sit back and relax, and you can see the money come rolling in. So before you run in other direction thinking what the hell is going on, this can be, you know, look weird at first, but as you get used to it, this will be very easy. Okay, all you need to know is this is a software. This is known as GSA website contact form. It costs $100. Additionally, you will need 30 to 50 bucks for proxies. This is because otherwise, if you send, suppose 10,000, 100,000 messages per day, your IP address will be blocked. Okay, so to avoid that, we use proxies, and pretty much most of the things can be automated. And if you use this automation, you can seriously grow your business. You can use this in social media marketing, drop servicing, which I am currently making videos about, affiliate marketing and whatnot. Thank you. This is Shubham Agarwal again from Agarwal Bros, and please like, subscribe and comment on my channel. Thank you.